Hey there, Autumn from Zappos here, and we're looking at the Glycerin 17 from Brooks. These running shoes are made with a double Jacquard mesh upper, so it gives really great breathability, flexibility, and it keeps the foot nice and stable. Plus you've got this awesome color too. I love the designs throughout. Easily laces up. You've got 3D printed overlays. It has a strategic stretch and structure, so you have a nice secure fit. Inside is a super soft lining. Oh my goodness, tons of cushioning around the ankle as well for comfort, and you've got padding in the tongue as well. You've also got a removable cushioned insole to give you that extra underfoot comfort and support. And you've got ideal pressure zones to help disperse impact away from your body for a more even and effortless ride. It does have that cushioned DNA locked midsole. It adapts to every step and allows for great underfoot support. It also has a transition zone to keep those transitions nice and smooth, along with this durable rubber outsole to give you traction so that every step is a great step. With great cushioning in every step, you're gonna wanna keep going. So keep going with these shoes from Brooks.